Hi everyone, Archana here. Today I am giving a small tutorial. So what exactly I am going to do? First of all, I'll show you this project. So this is the sequence hoop or shaker hoop, you can say. You can see all the shaker sequence are in there. So this is the hoop I have came up with, and I never seen such hoop anywhere. So I think this is the cool idea which I am going to share with you. So I just wanted to show how I created this, and the project I am going to make, it's for heartfelt creations. So this is small hoop compared to the one I have shown you just before. So I think this one is a 7.5 or 8 inches hoop. This is pretty small hoop. So I got this tool. This tool has little bit larger holes, but you can get the other mesh or any kind of tool, and as per your tool's hole size, you need to pick your sequence inside or whatever shaker things you are going to insert in there. So for this one I need pretty big sequence. So let's see. So what I'm going to do, so take this thing off, and on the smaller ring you need to use the score tape, which is I think 1/4 inch or more than 1/4 inch width. So just use this tape all over the ring, I mean all the on the edges. We need this. So you can use either score tape or hot glue gun, whatever you prefer, whatever you think strong enough. But for me, I think this score tape is strong enough. So I'll take this off. And then get your mesh or tool, and then keep it aside, keep it like that, and then stick it on the edges. Stick all the edges nice and tight. Like that. I have seen hoop shaker cards, but I've never seen anyone made a hoop shaker hoop, a big large hoop. So this is my second try. First try I was pretty happy, so I thought I will make a project for Heartfelt Creations blog hop. So I have a link below for blog hop, awesome prices, so please check it out and hop along. And now what we need to do, you can add your shakers, whatever you are going to add, like beads or sequence. So I have these pretty nice sage green colored sequence here, and then just cover this part like that, and simply use this other part. Nice and tight, and you can see the shaker hoop is ready. Isn't it interesting? And then after your project done, you are pretty much happy with that, just trim off all the edges. So I'll trimming off right now like that. carefully trim off. And you can decorate as per you want. Use pretty laces here, which I am definitely going to use, or you can use flat back pearl trim like that. So I will come back with my finished project. And just to hint, I'm going to use this Heartfelt Creations Lush Lilac Umbrella Spray. You can see right here, and I have cut out with vellum, and I'm going to use this on this project. And I have also few more cutouts, and I colored with my Zig pen, and I will just use them on this project. And this is my shaker hoop, will be ready soon, so I'll be back with finished project. So this is my shaker hoop completed. I didn't use many more elements here since I wanted to focus on the shaker part as well, along with couple of really beautiful die cuts here by Heartfelt Creations. I have shown you before, and I am in love with this umbrella. It's so pretty, so delicate, and super shabby. And I really don't want to use many more flowers or anything underneath, since I just want to show this one only. And I have used couple more here, some die cuts from the same collection, and this paper is from Sweet Peony collection. And I have used some sentiment from my stash, and used some sequins here also, and some flat back flowers, and I have used flat back pearl trim here. And that is it. This is really hope you will like it, and you will make one like this. And feel free to share if you make any on my Facebook wall. So thank you so very much for watching, and bye for now.